Yes, so the agenda over here is to get the data from Business Central, Microsoft Dynamics 365, and load it to a database in Snowflake or in any other data warehouse like Azure SQL Server. To begin with, we need to grant Matillion an authorization to connect with Business Central. For this, we shall first go to the project and manage authorizations. Here I have already given Matillion an authorization to access Dynamics 365 Business Central. We can see that there are some fields that need some input in order to verify our access to Business Central. These field values, they come from the app that I have registered in the Azure environment. You can see that I have already created one under the name of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. This, the details of this registered app, they go into the Manage Auth. And finally, we can now develop a Matillion job in the environment. To start with it, um, first, we need to create an empty table in the Snowflake. So for the purpose, we need to have a create table component. Over here, I have created an empty table in the Snowflake, and now we need to have the another component, that is Dynamics 365 Business Central query, that will help us to get the data from Business Central to the table that I just created in the Snowflake. It is important to see that in this component, we are passing that manage auth that I created over here so that this component can have access to the Business Central. Then we need to specify the company. So the company name comes from the left corner when we are in the Business Central UI. So this is what I have passed in here. Now we need to select the data source. The data source from where we need to get the data in the Business Central. So for this demo, I have selected the customer's financial details. Now, when we run the job, we can see that the data loads into the Snowflake table. Let's have a look on the job run. On the successful task, we can go to the Snowflake and check whether the table has been created. So I have created a database called Microsoft 365 POC for this demo. We can see that the financial details table has been created. We can now view the data and verify that the data has been loaded to Snowflake, and here we are. So this proves the success of data load from Business Central to Snowflake using Matillion.